Hello, this is Krysdavar, and today I'm going to be opening a Megabox of 2020 Topps Heritage Baseball trading cards, bringing back the 1971 Topps design. Look for real one autographs and relic cards. All right. 15 packs plus an exclusive bonus chrome pack. Chrome pack. So here is this. This is the last Megabox I have, so there's that. And I have something to show you on this one here. I pulled this out of one of these boxes, and I found that there is a variation, and the variation is notified by, see that action above his portrait right there? That means it's a variation. So that's really, really nice that they did that this year. This isn't to be confused with the 401 or 401 and up cards. This is variation. So yeah, so there's that. So now you know that. You probably already knew that from 3 months ago, but oh well. Let's get into this. And put that there. Whoops. Whoa. All right. So we have the 15 packs and the chrome pack. And you know that I like chaos sometimes. Most of the time. Anytime's great for chaos. So let's open this pack first. Let's see what chrome cards we get. Why wait till last when you could open it now? All right. So there's a refractor. I also found that this is called a refractor, not silver. This is refractor, just regular refractor. And it's numbered 571. 452 out of 571, this one here. John Means, all right. And then, so we have Starlin Castro and Brad Hand. These are regular, but they're still numbered out of 999. That one is 999, and that one is 999. All right. Okay, so with all the shine out of the way, let's grip and rip. See what we get. Last mega box of 2020 Topps Heritage. Here we go. Flaherty, World Series game number 2. Suzuki comes through in the clutch. Kurt, is it Kurt? Hey, back to back. Back to back. Have him in action World Series and then his actual card. That was pretty cool. All right, rookie stars for the Giants. Tyler Rogers and Logan Webb. Rhino Hearn, Bader, Sabathia, Sawyer, whatever, and Remuto. All right, rounds out the last pack. Next pack. I'll check for short prints when this video, after I get through all these packs, I'll check for, there's a sticker book or whatever you call it. Flashbacks 1971 Worldwide Tributes. After, his death. Louis Armstrong passes away too? Okay. No. Okay. Severino, Seth Lugo, Christian Yelich, Trey Mancini, Chris Archer, Stroman, Gallagher, and Scratch Off. That's it. Scratch Off. Brian Anderson, team captain. Scratch Off. It's one of these. Pretty nifty, I guess. Gotta get with a friend and play it. All right. Next pack. Crack packs. Make some stacks. Cracking packs and making stacks. Okay, Crone, Merrifield, Allard, Sanchez, Pham, Simeon, Coonrod, Cashner, Canning. The guy's last name is McGeady. Next pack. Cracking packs. Making stacks. Zach Davies. Adams. Rookie stars, Saveo and Bradley. Right. Amir Garrett, Correa, Vasquez, Hayes, Austin Hayes, and then Andrelton Simmons, Angels. Hayes. Just different. Okay. Let me put this into one pile. Wow, there's a lot of packs in these mega boxes. Hope everybody's having a great Memorial Day weekend. If you are able to celebrate it, relax a little bit maybe. If you were able to go back to work or whatever. Burt Blyleven and Garrett Cole then and now. And Garrett Cole tore it up last year. Oops. That's a insert. Yeah, put that on the insert pile. My bad. Okay, Panic. Game 3 of the World Series. Greinke. And Andrew Stevenson. And then Astros celebrate. Next stop's the... Yep. The controversy continues for the Astros. What happened last year? It was a big controversy. Stealing signs or something? I don't know. Pitching leaders. Ottavino, Giorgio. Oh, cool. I have not gotten a regular Chrome card. That is nice. Rookie stars. Pook, Brown, and Luzardo. That's cool. I think I pulled Pook out of Bowman. 28 out of 71. No wonder I haven't pulled any of these because they are low numbered. And that's like a white one. So, wow, that's pretty cool. All right. Just put that back there like that. Okay. All right. Let's see, Greg Polanco, Walters. I better tell. Okay. Next pack. See if we can get something else. See, Josh James, Kiermaier, Sanchez, Engel, Gonzalez, Kyle Seager, Desmond, and Baez. All right. Pack. A few packs to go. Scott Kingery. All right. Wickeren, the Shields Jr. Bote, Fletcher, rookie stars. Gosselin and wow, Josh. L.A. Dodgers. See here. Nope, still numbered. Okay. Joey Votto, Santander, and Kinsler. Ian Kinsler, that is. I meant to say and it came out Ian. Let's see here. Jose Quintana, Chris Davis, Kenta Maid, Lance Lynn. There is Candlestick Park, Willie Mays insert. Willie Mays is the Megabox exclusive, I guess, or Megabox, or the exclusive set player this year. Soto shines in World Series debut. ERA leaders. All right. Get here. Pablo Sandoval, Kelly, Frazier, Suarez, Arez, Musgrove, David Price, Suarez. What is this? Huh. So we have two different Suarezes. Rookie stars for the Kansas City. I always said Kansas City Chiefs. Kansas City Royals. Keep you looking ahead to football already. They better have football. Man, I'd be upset. I like to watch football. It's a weekly festivity that's that we only get to do once a week is watch football. Reyes, Castro, Gurriel Jr., New Age Performers. Insert. All right. Gonzalez, ERA leaders, and Sanchez. All right. 3 packs after this, and the Mega Box will be unboxed. Oh, look, there's scratch off. There's 2 per box. Carpenter, Reynolds, Richards, Ian Kennedy, and Vladdy Jr. is the team captain for this one. And there it is. Oh. Ta-da. Oh, some of them are blacked off already, or scratched off already. Okay. Lopez, Lowe. ALCS, Glaber drives in 5 runs. All right. And then Machado, Manny Machado. Doesn't have the duck face this year. Kept seeing that his duck face with shimmy, his shimmy that he was doing all last year or whatever in his pictures. Steven Matz, Andrew Heaney, Choi, Clayton Kershaw. Oh, looks like he just woke up, kind of. Does do, because look, is the sun coming up or going down? Sterling Marte. Wouldn't surprise me, because he's a great pitcher. Maybe he was up that early too for filming, whatever, his research stuff that he does, maybe. Oh, there's Machado, back-to-back packs. That's not right. Same player in the same box. 1 pack left after this. Barnhart, Naylor, Joe Jimenez, Yadier Molina, number 400, because I have 3 of them already. And there it is, number 400 is not a... I know that because I cut him out of the thing because the cutoff is 401 for the quote-unquote short prints. Mr. Clutch, Robinson, yep, Brooks Robinson, Mike Minor, rookie stars for the Cubs, cool. My second favorite team, Nick Ahmed and Francisco Mejia. All right, last pack. I don't think we get a mojo today because we already pulled a good card, so I doubt if there will be anything in here. But we will see. World Series champs. There they are. The Nationals. Frazier, Garcia, ALCS, Springer, Correa, Power Astros to win. Chris Taylor, Solano, Stansby Swanson, and Aguilar. Okay, let me go check for short prints and stuff like that. Alright, so quick recap. So here are the 401 and higher numbered cards. Starling Marte, 462. Marwin Gonzalez, 404. David Fletcher, 485. That's a really high number. Ryan O'Hearn, 470. And Amir Garrett, 448. I did not see any variation cards that had like action by their name or the back on there, like I showed earlier. Here are the inserts. All right. Scratch off New Age Performers. Yep, insert. There's the one insert of that per box. Then and now. Another scratch, the second scratch off. Guess you get 2 per mega box. And then that one. And then did get one hit here. Pretty decently numbered. 28 out of 71. It's the rookie stars for the A's. Okay, I'll just put that there. And then here are the Chrome cards, of course. These are numbered out of $9.99. This one's $7.99 out of $9.99. And this one is $6.51 out of $9.99. All right. And then this one is numbered out of $5.71. $4.52 out of $5.71. Rookie Cup card of John Means. All right. And thanks for watching my Megabox break of 2020 Topps Heritage Baseball Trading Cards, bringing back the 1971 Topps design. Hope everybody has a great rest of your weekend. See you later.